Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use bisq. In order to do so, here we are at bisq.network. And what is bisq all about? Well, it is exchange decentralized. You can buy and sell Bitcoin for fiat or other cryptocurrencies privately and securely using bisq's peer-to-peer network and open source desktop software. No registration needed. All you have to do is download it. You can see here, it will note what platform you're using, and you should see the download option there. You could see here what the interface is like. What kind of features are we looking at? There is no identity verification. Get started in minutes. It's decentralized. Trading takes place on a global peer-to-peer network of users running bisq on their own machines. It's safe. bisq never holds your funds. Deposits held in a 2-of-2 multi-sig wallets. Encourage safe, successful trades. It's private. Your data is stored locally on disk and is never sent to a central server. Every bisq node is a Tor hidden service by default. It is open source, and project strategy is discussed openly on Matrix and GitHub. Also, it's easy to use. We've made all this sophistication simple. Make your first trade in under 10 minutes. So if you want to get started with bisq, download the app, or you can build it from source. Add your national or cryptocurrency accounts, create a new offer or take an existing one, and then follow the user interface to finalize the trade. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested, check out Cider AI. Cider is an extension that you can add to your Chrome browser, and it fits nicely here at the side of the browser. And all you have to do is click it, and you can ask Cider your questions. The nice thing about Cider is that it also has access to all of these other different models, so you can get a balanced perspective from all of the top chat bots that are out there. Cider is a fantastic tool. If you're interested, check it out in the description. Click that link. You'd be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate it.